Have you seen that viral video where someone is playing on a spinning wheel with their younger self? Today, I'll show you exactly how to make that video using InVideo AI, step by step. And trust me, it's way easier than it looks. Step 1. Preparing the photos. To follow this trend, you need 2 photos, one photo of you right now and one photo of you as a kid. But what if you don't have a childhood photo? No worries, we'll let AI handle that. First, grab all the prompts you need. I've already prepared them on my website, the link's in the description. Next, copy the Generate Your Childhood prompt. This prompt will turn your current photo into a version of you when you were around 8 years old, and yes, you can change the age if you want. Now, open InVideo AI. Link's also in the description. Go to Agents and Models, tap See All under Generative Models, then choose Image Model Generation, and select Nano Banana Pro. Create a new project, upload your photo, paste the prompt, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. I usually set the batch generation to 4, so I can choose the most realistic result later. Hit Generate, wait a few seconds, and done. Pick the image that looks most like your childhood self, and save it. Step 2. Generate the spinning wheel image. Next, we're creating the playground scene. Copy the image prompt from my website. Go back to InVideo AI and simply replace the previous prompt with the new one. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Then choose the result you like. After that, replace the character in the image with your AI-generated childhood photo from Step 1. And boom, now you've got your younger self playing on a spinning wheel. Step 3. Turn the image into a video. Now let's bring it to life. Switch to video generation in InVideo AI and choose the VO 3.1 model. No need to create a new project, just use the existing one. Upload either your current photo or your childhood photo, up to you. Paste the video prompt from my website. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose a duration between 4 to 8 seconds. I usually go with 8. For resolution, you can choose 720p, 1080p, or even 4K. 1080p is more than enough for social media. Click Generate. Wait a few minutes. And there it is. Repeat the same steps for your childhood version, then combine both clips using any video editing app. And just like that, you've recreated that viral childhood meets present me moment. It's nostalgic, it's creative, and honestly, it's kind of magical seeing your past and present in one frame. If you want to try this yourself, check out InVideo AI, links in the description. And hey, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.